Thank you, Chairman, for giving me time to present. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable T.S. Dr. Muhammad Ashraf bin Abdurrahman, Profesor T.S. Dr. Muhammad Idrus bin Muhammad Masirin, Profesor Madya Dr. Muhammad Asrul Effendi bin Abdullah. I am Nurani Hartati, 18006. I would like to present my study entitled with Development of a Predictive Model on Accident along Surabaya Toll Road, Indonesia. The study is under the supervisor of T.S. Dr. Ing Juwono Prasetyo. The content of my presentation today is background of study, problem statement, research aim, research objective, research scope, significance of study, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, conclusion and recommendation, reference, and the last is list of publication. The background of study is begun with the road accident was start as a major problem in the world that's caused by road characteristic, geometric feature, traffic characteristic, driver behavior, vehicle design, and environment aspect. NANDA 2018 report the accident data, the 463 people died in 2016. 29,000 more people died in 27 and 27 more people die in 28. Surabaya, capital province in East Java and second largest city in Indonesia. Way in and out of industrial area with heavy vehicle of Tanjung Perak Harbor and Juanda International Airport. In August 2017, the traffic count number of the Surabaya Gempol Toll Road exceed 37 and more vehicle per hour in a day, with the dominant vehicle being a truck. The increasing vehicle number on toll road has led to an increase the number of accidents, of them by LSM 2007. Accident modeling has been used a priority way to solve the problem by understanding the key factor. One of choose model is Poisson regression model. Poisson is used to investigate the relationship between discrete response variable and continuous data. By Basu and Saha 2007, Lord and Merning 2010. To development the model, some requirements has to be met, such as the response variable having a Poisson distribution, no multicanality between predictive variable, and equidivision. The problem statement is about an accident occurred in Surabaya Toll Road, Surabaya Gempol Road, between truck load fish and truck load floor. It caused traffic jams and cargo to scatter in the middle of the road. Catur 2019. Another accident case was also reported by Zainal 2019 on truck that caused by a tired and sleepy driver and resulting to die people and 2 persons several injured. The causes of road accident are always complicated due to the presence of many factors. Therefore, understanding factors that impact on the occurrence of traffic accident and accident prediction is crucial to be investigation. The aim of prediction crash frequency is important to traffic accident modeling because finding an appropriate distribution for the accident frequency is crucial to determine the accuracy of the traffic accident model. There is number regression model proposed which are applied in modeling accident data. Typical Poisson regression model, negative binomial model, and zero inverted model with the analysis is the main factor effective accident are required in they exhibit appropriateness because of their flexible and ease in estimating the parameter. Generally, Poisson regression is considered as one of the most basic model which after significant is in estimating the parameter. Therefore, this research used statistical model, namely Bayesian regression and negative binomial modeling approach in order to identify the accident along Surabaya Gempol Toll Road. Knowing which model that is effective to use make it easier to predict accident and the variable that influence them. The finding would relate the underlying relationship between the probability factor and vehicle accident, provide a very reliable statistic technique for analyzing accident data, and identify pattern of road accident. They serve as an input to the toll road operator PT Jasa Marga. The research objectives are to determine accident type, impact in factor toward road accident along Surabaya Toll Road, to determine the statistical model which is appropriate to reduce the number of accidents along Surabaya Toll Road, to develop a predictive model for road accident along Surabaya Toll Road based on development model, and to apply the predictive model developed with the data obtained along Surabaya Toll Road. The scope of study is collecting the accident data for Surabaya Toll Road using the Poisson regression and negative binomial model, and run the R software throughout all the dependent and independent variable. Here is the literature review. Firstly, is about the road safety. Road safety is influenced by a variety of things: driver behavior, construction quality, vehicle condition, and environmental circumstances, and the most essential factor. In order to avoid the accident is injuries, those point control are going to be concerned. Secondly, Surabaya Toll Road is the location of study has 7 interchange, 27 vehicle crossing bridge, 2 pedestrian bridge, 10 entrance toll in 2 directions, each having 3 lanes separated by a road median. Vehicle speed between 16 and 100 km per hour, and the function is excluding motorcycle and other no-vehicle modes of transportation. Thirdly, this slide shows the previous reference on accident modeling. by Sigit, by Gabe, by Prasetyo. The slide show provides research on accident modeling. The fourth is about the R software. R software is statistical computing and graphic language and environment with highly extendable and offer a wide range of statistical, linear, and non-linear modeling, traditional statistic tests, time series analysis, classification, cluster, etc., and graphical tool. One of the packages is generalized linear model, as one of statistical model is used in this research. The 15th is review about generalized linear model, Poisson regression requirement, the response variable having a Poisson distribution, no multicollinearity between predictor variable and equidispersion. Zero inflated is substantial model to tackle the excess of zero. Negative binomial is substantial to tackle the overdispersion. The 16 is a kind of model selection criteria. There are look-like Hood p-value, Fu Hong test, and ISU value. ISU value was the simple selection criteria to get the fit model within lower score. Now, the screen shows the methodology of my research. The following the research to achieve the objective one, accident data analysis was conducted. Then the research framework was developed and continued to correlation and regression analysis in order to develop model achieve objective. 2. In order to achieve objective. 3. Some tests were conducted such as multicollinearity, overdispersion, and zero inflated test through Poisson regression and negative binomial. After the model was developed, the model was evaluated, which produced the fit model and the equation. And finally, the model was applied with the data obtained along Surabaya Toll Road. Here is the location of study and data collection method. The research framework is shown in this slide. This is R of investigation and continuous of objective study. This is the theme related to obtain data and variable on each area of investigation, and this is expect outcome. Based on the previous research work, this research was conducted following this data evaluation and analysis, starting from the data collection from 2015 to 2020, to dealing with the data and methodology issue associated with accident frequency data using R software. Then the model was developed, evaluated, and applied. This is a model framework development and predicted model based IIC. And this is how the model was developed. Methodology obtain model outcome. The developed model result is equation as the model outcome, whereas the predictive model evaluation determine the fit model with that will be used for a predictive model development. The equation of the fit model then was developed to form a predictive model for accident frequency along Surabaya Toll Road, Indonesia. This is a result of and discussion data exploration. Zero number was detected in Maret 2018 along 2015 under 2000 and accident number decrease. About this data exploration, zero number was detected Maret 2018. The next about exploration data. And this is a research framework. This slide shows development research framework after conducting the research. The summary of type and factor accident data and the data characteristic, the model used, and the application was structured in framework. The data analysis content two analysis correlation and regression analysis. This is the correlation analysis between variable. The strongest correlation is found between accident number and segment length, and the weakest correlation is found between accident number and AADT. The second analysis with regression analysis, all the explored variables are summarized and categorized as independent variable and dependent variable. Poisson regression is the first analysis that was tested. The result showed that these four variables are significant. It is, as it was explained before, the Poisson has to meet the requirement. Therefore, the following multi-connectivity over dispersion and zero inflated tests were conducted. The result is following in the next slide. Multi-connectivity didn't exist in this Poisson. The over-dispersion was also not detected, and the zero inflated was not present. This is the quasi-Poisson, what was also developed as the alternative model. The results show that's only one variable that's significant to accident number. This is segment length. This is the third set analysis in regression analysis negative binomial. The results show that only one variable that's significant to accident number. This is a segment length. In negative binomial, multi-connectivity was found and the zero inflated was undetected. This slide is a part of model evaluation based IEC value. Poisson model has with a similar than negative binomial model, while quasi-Poisson model has no IEC value. It's determined the Poisson model is better model to the accident prediction. This is equation result from the Poisson regression. This is a prediction model software application. And this is and the conclusion and summary of research finding. First, the data that were successfully collection are including number of accidents, segment length, segment type, shoulder weight, median weight, number of lane use, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, AADT, track speed, car speed, bus speed, rainfall, wind velocity, blowing speed, and temperature. Third is finding the accident type, impact, and the factor towards road accident along Surabaya Toll Road were successfully determined. The data on number of accident respond variable, while the rest are the predictor variable. The number of respondent variable is 1 and type continuous data, while prediction variable are more than 1 that have count and rare event type. The data number and type were analyzed using appropriate model which are correlation and regression analysis. Hence, an appropriate statistical model to reduce the number of the accident along Surabaya Toll Road was successfully determined. The third prediction model for road accident along Surabaya Toll Road was successfully developed through a Poisson regression and negative binomial. Both models were then evaluated to get the fit and simple model to be applied to prediction the model based on the IEC value. Poisson regression has better performance than negative binomial. The IEC value of Poisson regression has better performance than negative binomial. Number 4, the equation was formed as predictive model toward traffic accident along Surabaya Toll Road and was successfully applied from the developed model function. The equation contributed on the application. Quick access on accident prediction. Subfol 1. This is copyright produced lately. This is the reference and thank you.